testing technology team, discerning quality testing team, advanced quality testing equipment. Good quality and services are always delivered fast. We can provide samples for customers for review, verification, and confirmation before go ahead with mass production. The precision metal parts we produced are mainly applied to electronic equipment, mobile phone, toy, sports equipment, automobile, safety monitor, LED lamp accessories, radiator, flashlight, motor, furniture accessories, medical instrument, mold parts, export to Germany, the United States, UK, Canada, Spain, and other countries. Our company has a team of highly qualified and skilled professionals. We are dedicated to providing all customers with quality products and very reasonable prices. We are committed to meeting the strictest requirements of our customers by reasonable prices, good quality, timely delivery, and excellent services. We can also support customers with small orders. We have rich experience in cooperating with customers from USA and many other European countries, and we sincerely hope that you can join us and develop a long-term business relationship. Thank you.